Welcome, I'm Kenny. Make a waistcoat stitch basket that you can use to cover your planters or anything. You can use any crochet materials like twine. This is a cotton and a twine one. Gather your crochet materials and let's go on a crochet journey. I'm going to be using the cotton twine. All you have to do is just to open the top and center pull. With 2 strands, we will begin. You will need a crochet hook that you can use for your twine, yarn marker, scissors, and of course your hands. Don't forget your planter to make sure that you have the right size and measurement for your basket. With 2 strands of yarn, we'll make a magic loop or a magic circle. Pass your hook through and we begin. Into the center of your magic circle, make 6 single crochets. Use your yarn marker to mark the beginning of each round. Pull your magic circle tail and we'll be working in a spiral. For the second round, you need a total of 12 single crochets. So into each center of your single crochet, make 2 single crochets. Carry on all the way round. Into the last, make 2 single crochets. You can follow the flat circle formula to make your circle as wide as you want it to be. Feel free to pause and follow the pattern. Also, you can follow a crochet tutorial on how to make your circle larger and flatter. So carry on making your circle as wide as you want for your basket. The waistcoat stitch is very good for making baskets because it gives a very dense and sturdy basket. carry on all the way around. Once you've made your circle as large as you want it to be or as wide as you want it to be, come back and we carry on with the next step. Okay, well done. Nice to see you back. So finishing this round. Measure around your planter if you're happy with it. So we're carrying with the next step. We're going to make an invisible joining method for the circle. So you pass your hook from the back and pull your yarn through, and then you make a slip knot. That's it. So before you carry on, all you can do is just weave in your yarn tail at this point in time. It will make it easier for you later on. You're weaving into the back of your project, which will become the bottom, the inside of your basket. And snip those tails once you are done. Snip, snip. So we're carrying on with the pattern, but what we do is we're going to walk into the back loop, this area, the loop that joins your V legs at the top, like so, not those, right there, right there. Into each of the loops at the back, we're going to make single crochets. Initially it might be a bit tight to pass your hook through, depending on how you have made your single crochets in the previous rounds, but persevere and bear with it. And there you go, and pull through. You made your first single crochet. Walk into the loop at the back. It's going to make your basket sides to stand upright. So carry on into each, making single crochets all the way around. You might find it easier to lift the loop at the back and then pass your hook through, just like so. You lift or pull up and pass your hook, yarn over and make your single crochet. Carry on all the way around. Okay, we're coming to the beginning of the round. Make single crochets. There's one more there, and make a single crochet. Do not join in the round. This is how it will be looking. You can see that the sides are already raising up. Into the first single crochet in the middle, or in the center of the first single crochet, you pass your hook through and make your center single crochet. Yarn over and pull through. That is it. You've joined it in a round with the center single crochet. So carry on into each of your single crochets, the center of your single crochet. Keep making single crochets. This is what you need to do all the way around. Feel free to follow the tutorial on Hans-the-Row Crochet on how to make waistcoat stitch in a round. And this is it. So we're nearly finishing up the sides of the basket. That completes the side. That's the beginning. So what you do now is you're going to make the invisible joining method. Lock your loop from the back, pass your hook into the second space between the first and the second single crochet. And pull through your loop to the back. Yarn over and make a slip knot. This is it. All you do is just cut your yarn or your yarns and then weave in your yarn tail. Weave into the back or the inside of your basket. And once that is done, your basket can be used. Thank you so much for tuning into Hands That Rock Crochet. It's so nice to see you each time. If you're new here, we welcome you, and feel free to press the subscribe button. Till we see you once again, thank you so much for all our subscribers, the old and the new, and take care and God bless. Bye bye for now.